One discovery changed humans forever. They ate raw meat, cold roots, insects. Then, one thing changed everything. Scientists were completely shocked. It started 2 million years ago. The clue was hidden in old bones. Here is the full story. Number 1. It started by accident. Lightning struck a tree. Fire started. Our ancestors were terrified of fire. Then they found a cooked dead animal. One bite, their world changed forever. They ran back to tell the whole tribe. Everyone tried it. The first dinner ever. They never went back to raw food again. Number 2. Cooking grew the human brain. Cooked food gives double the calories. Raw food is very hard to digest. Cooking does that hard work for you. Extra calories went straight to the brain. Scientist Wrangham proved cooking made us human. Gorillas chew 8 hours a day. We eat 1. Number 3. They learned to make fire. First stones, then sparks, then fire. Fire was the most precious thing owned. One person watched the fire day and night. Moving tribes carried fire in clay pots. Meat on a stick, first cooking tool ever. Different foods needed different methods. Number 4. They hunted bigger animals. Raw meat from big animals could kill them. Fire kills all bacteria. Everything became safe. Fish plus fire made the brain grow faster. Salt dropped in fire. First seasoning ever. Sharing cooked food built strong bonds. Number 5. Cooking created mealtimes. Before cooking, they ate alone like animals. Now, everyone came to one place together. While food cooked, they talked and planned. Best cook in tribe had the most respect. Number 6. Cooking changed the human body. Big jaws were no longer needed. They shrank. Stomachs shrank too. Food was easier now. Chimp has huge gut. Human has huge brain. Cooking built the brain you are using now. Number 7. Women were the first chefs. They tested plants near fire for thousands of years. Every recipe ever made started with them. Cooking created the first real teamwork. Cooking made caring for the weak possible. Number 8. Oldest cooking evidence found. Wonderwork Cave, South Africa. 1 million years ago. Burnt bones and ash found deep inside. Cooking evidence kept appearing everywhere. Even Neanderthals cooked their food too. Cooking was the language before language existed. Number 9. Cooking created civilization. Clay plus fire equals pottery. Pottery equals storage. Storage equals staying. Staying equals farming. Farming equals villages. Villages equals cities. Fire at night gave safe extra hours to create. Number 10. Cooking built human civilization. From wild animal eating raw food alone, to cities, phones, rockets, and hospitals. Every restaurant traces back to that first fire. Every brain that ever invented anything was built by calories from cooked food. Fire, language, tools, cooking connects all three. One ancient human, one fire, one bite, everything. 5 shocking facts you now know forever. You carry a 1 million year old tradition. That smell of cooking is 1 million years old. Family dinner started 1 million years ago. Watching parents cook is the oldest school. Fire at night united total strangers. Sharing food created the first peace ever. Cooking spread across the entire planet. Tonight someone will eat and not know this. Smash, like and subscribe right now. What food would ancient humans love today?